Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign up to Freedom24 account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for freedom24.com. Once you land on the official website, on the top right corner, you will see sign up button. Simply click on it. Now you have to fill out this form. First of all, add your email address. Then create a strong password. Now you have to agree to all of the terms and conditions by simply turning on that button. At last, tap on sign up button to create your account. Then a verification mail will be sent to your email address. Just check your Google Mail and confirm it over there. Then your account will be created. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.